You think you want to be rich. You say it. You dream it. You work for it. But deep down, your subconscious is terrified of wealth. And it's not your fault. You were programmed that way. Think back. How many times did you hear, money changes people? Rich people are greedy. It's better to be poor and kind than rich and selfish. Money doesn't grow on trees. Don't talk about money, it's rude. You didn't just hear these once. You heard them on repeat. And repetition is how the subconscious learns. So now, as an adult, you chase money, but secretly resist it. You undercharge. You overspend. You play small. You sabotage opportunities. Not because you're lazy, but because your system equates wealth with danger, with judgment, with loss. Here's the scary truth: your childhood beliefs are still running your financial reality. Not your intelligence. Not your ambition. Not your effort. Your code. Let's break it down. 3 signs you're subconsciously afraid of wealth. 1. You judge wealthy people. Even silently. You think, they're probably corrupt. You scroll past their success with a sting of resentment. Judgment is a wall, and you can't become what you secretly hate. 2. You feel anxious when money comes in. You make a big sale. Then panic. You receive abundance. Then spend it fast. Why? Because your system doesn't feel safe holding money. 3. You believe too much money will cost you something. Your time. Your freedom. Your soul. So you unconsciously push it away, for protection. Here's the good news: you weren't born with this fear. You inherited it. From culture. Parents. Religion. Society. But just like any program, it can be rewritten. You don't need to force success. You need to feel safe with it. You need to believe it's allowed, aligned, and natural. And that begins with reprogramming your subconscious beliefs. Because when your inner system feels safe with wealth, wealth flows. Click the link below. Activate your wealth DNA. And install the version of you who no longer fears abundance.